Welcome to Uplearn. We're here to help you reach your full potential. We know that A-levels can be stressful and challenging to say the least, but we're here to help you get the very best results and work smarter, not harder. This video explains how to use Uplearn and make the most of the platform. When you log in, you'll be taken to the course page. This is where you'll find all of your Uplearn subjects. If you're in Year 13, don't forget the toggle here to make sure you can see all of your courses. After selecting your subject, you'll see a list of topics and sections to complete. When you enter a section, you may be asked to complete a section quiz. We really recommend completing these quizzes as they're the best way to minimise time spent on areas that you're already good at and focus on the areas where you need the most support. After completing the quiz, you'll see all the lessons within the section. Each lesson is made up of videos, quizzes, and questions, and you'll need to complete all of the lessons to complete the overall section. Remember 3 things. 1, you'll need to answer the in-video questions. 2, you'll need to watch the video until the end. 3, most importantly, make sure each lesson has a green tick next to it. Otherwise, it will not show as complete. When you complete a section, a red, amber, or green scoring will appear. Everyone should aim for a green score. If you don't achieve a green scoring, you can use the strengthen function to focus on the areas that need revision. This will help boost your score and get you to green. If you do achieve a green score, great work. We recommend using the knowledge refresh option to bring up questions you've not seen recently or answered correctly to help consolidate your knowledge and make sure you retain it in the longer term. If your school has given you specific sections to complete, please make sure you're checking the Assignments tab on the top of your course page. This is where you'll find your live assignments and due dates. It's a really handy tool to identify what you need to revise further. At the bottom of your course page, you'll find exam techniques and questions. We really recommend going through these before taking any Uplearn exam papers. The exam technique videos explain in detail how to approach exam questions and how to write 100% scoring module answer 2. Exam papers can be found at the top of your course page. These are all written by Uplearn's experts and are unique to Uplearn. These are a great way to understand the requirements and get some practice ahead of your mocks and actual exams. When you begin an exam paper, your timer will start. If you leave, the exam page will end, so please make sure you have the time to complete the full exam uninterrupted before you begin. You will self-assess these exam papers using the marking scheme that is provided. If you need help when using Uplearn with tech issues or additional support with your learning, our online support team is available 24/7. The live chat down here helps you access both tech support and help with your learning. Our courses have been created so you can learn the full course without any additional help, but if you do need any academic support, our team of experienced tutors are available online 24/7. Please remember that before you message your tutor, make sure you've attempted all of the lessons on the topic you're struggling with. This is the quickest way to fill your knowledge gaps. If you message a tutor for help on a topic but haven't watched the video yet, this is the first thing they'll ask you to do. The tutors are available through the live chat function. Simply click on the chat function box, select messages, send us a message, and then you can select tutoring and send them a message. Our tutors can help with questions on how the course works and how to best use it, quiz and exam questions you may have got wrong on Uplearn, help on a video if you didn't quite understand it, and can also give general exam, essay, learning advice or study tips too. We're really excited that you've joined Uplearn and look forward to helping you smash your A-levels. Let's go.